And then on the last part of the rotation, you're going to spin. Start with the right leg, take small steps, straight your back, and right, left, right, left. Stay on the left leg, give your hand to the partner, and then we're going into the opening one more time. Notice that the man is waiting on the right leg for the partner to finish the spin, and then together at exactly the same time go into the opening. From here, we're going back to each other on the inner leg, then away from each other, and now we're going to switch places. Lady is going to rotate in front of the partner, spinning counterclockwise. Start with the left leg, flex your core muscles a little bit, straighten your back, and here we go. Left, right, 4 small quick steps, end up on the other side of the partner, then go into the opening on the other side. The man's perspective, man is going to take 2 steps and rotate clockwise. Focus on taking 2 steps behind the lady more than on rotating. Start with the right leg. Again, first lead and gently pull yourselves toward each other while going into the rotations. Man starts with the right leg, left leg. Now wait for the partner. Remember about taking small step. Wait for the partner on the left leg, and then together into the opening. Timing is the most important factor in this part of the routine. We want to get into the opening at the same time, exactly gently pushing away from each other. So look at each other and practice to get the timing exactly.